Hey guys! So today's video is going to be a skincare empties video. I realized last night when I was writing stuff down so that I could have it prepped in the products mentioned section of the description box that it was all skincare pretty much. Skincare and like body care type of stuff. So let's just jump into it. So the first thing I want to talk about is the Josie Marin Whipped Argan Oil, Be Joyful and Vanilla Apricot. I got this in a Sephora box that had sample and trial sizes for skincare stuff, and I used it. I liked it. It smells good. It smells really, really good. So eventually when I have a little more money, I'm gonna get myself a bigger size of this, but really good. I recommend it. It felt so good on the body and it smelled good, so I wasn't worrying about having that, I don't know, because some lotions, they just don't smell very good. They smell overly scented, and this one it didn't feel like that way. If I could actually grab it. Next thing I'm going to talk about is the L'Oreal Go 360 Clean Ideal Clean Deep Cleansing Exfoliating Scrub. I actually just bought this because it was on sale at the drugstore, and my husband and I have been using it for our face whenever we shower. And it's been good. I had some problem areas. I still have problem areas around my nose, but it definitely got better when I started using this. And I like that it came with the little scrubby, which isn't in here because it's still in my shower. But I like it. It's nice. It wasn't too scratchy. Like the beads were super duper scratchy where I felt that my skin is in pain or that it was getting super red. It felt like it was actually cleaning and exfoliating like it was supposed to. Moving on. Okay, be patient with me guys because I can't pronounce this brand, so here it goes. L'Occitane in Provence. This is their dry skin hand cream, and I love this hand cream. I got this maybe as a sample at one point, tried it, loved it. I bought another one not too long ago, and then I guess I'm gonna have to upgrade to the bigger version of this, even though it's a little pricier, because I just run out of this too quickly. I put this on every time I finish washing my hands when I'm at work or out and about, because obviously at home I have different hand creams, but it feels so smooth and it's thick, but it's not super duper thick. Like when you put it on, I don't like lotion touching my palms. So whenever I put lotion on, it's like right here, and then I do this little motion, which maybe makes me a little bit weird, but that's my personal thing. But point being, it doesn't feel so thick that you can't touch things, or like if you put your hand to your face, it's gonna transfer or spread. It doesn't feel that way. It really feels like it moisturizes. I know my hands sometimes are really cracked, especially around this area, and as soon as I put that on, it's moisturizing and it feels good, and it's not really scented, which I like that it doesn't have that heavy scent because I already have dry skin as it is, and so scented lotions don't help me out as much. Next product is from First Aid Beauty, or FAB, and is their Pure Skin Face Cleanser with FAB Antioxidant Booster, and this is what it looks like. Let me tell you, I'm not a huge fan of this one. I put it on my face. It feels like soap. It smells like soap. And I don't like that. I get that it's a face cleanser and therefore it's going to have maybe a soapy and feel or scent to it, but this just felt so soapy. Like whenever I put it on, it just reminded me of the hand soap that I used to wash my hands, and that's not kind of the feeling that I wanted for my face. And occasionally, it didn't feel like it was doing anything for my face, if I'm going to be honest. I didn't really feel like it was hydrating or doing anything super great. Did I feel like it was removing my makeup? Yeah, I did, but it wasn't anything like super duper. So I probably won't repurchase this again at any point unless it's like a sale and I don't have any face cleanser stuff. Next on the list is this little shampoo from Laboratories chlorine. It is the soothing and anti-irritating shampoo with peony. It's for sensitive and irritated scalp. And this little thing, let me tell you, lasted my husband and I for quite a bit. I was surprised how long we could. We had it for, okay, not super duper long, maybe two weeks, but still it was quite a bit, so I wasn't trying to grab and reach for one of our regular size shampoos and conditioners. I liked it. I like the smell, but I don't really feel like it was necessarily doing a ton for my hair. It was nice, it was cute, it was a little thing to try out. Don't think I'd go and buy this product though. Moving on. Yes, the body scrub. This is from The Body Shop, and I was actually super excited when I got this one because I got it at TJ Maxx for like $3, which I don't know how much it retails for at The Body Shop. Probably not much more expensive, I don't know. But I tried it out because I know that it's good to exfoliate and have body scrub so that you can slough off dead skin cells and things like that. And this is the olive one. It's the exfoliating cream body scrub, and I liked it. I tended to use it not very often, maybe once a week at that. And I liked it. My husband used it as well for his back so that we could prevent like pimples and things. He probably doesn't want me mentioning that on public, but I already did, so yeah. But yeah. And it smelled alright. It's olive. It smells what it's gonna smell like. Yeah, it was a good product. Would I repurchase? Maybe if it's on sale and it's a little bit bigger so that it can last me a little bit longer. Or last us, I guess. Alright, moving on. What is this? Yes, one of my favorites. The BECCA Subaki Swirl 2-part gel and cream deep hydration moisturizer. Let me put it up closer so you guys can see it better because it's pink and it's transparent and whatnot. I freaking love this thing. I love this, okay? I put it on my face and my nose is my trouble spot. No matter what moisturizer I use, there's always like some skin that peels on my nose, but when I tried this, nope, no peely on the nosies, none of that. I loved it. As soon as I ran out, I think I spent maybe a week without repurchasing, and then I went to Sephora and I was like, no, I have to get a new one. And I like, let me see if I can find it here somewhere, that it comes with its own little spatula type of thing, and it has a little indent here so that you can just scoop it up, put it on your face. And then I used my hands. I still used my hands to like put it all over my face, but that way I wasn't doing excessive amounts of the moisturizer. Love this, recommend this, definitely would repurchase. I still have the one that I purchased. Haven't opened it because I'm trying to get through all the sample moisturizers and other things that I know I can still use instead of trying to go for my big little moisturizer. But big little moisturizer. But yeah, one of my favorites for sure. Next up is the Bath & Body Works Lavender Chamomile Body Wash in Foam Bath. It's their aromatherapy stuff, so it's the sleep stuff. It was okay. It was okay. It suited its purpose. Didn't do anything super duper spectacular. I used it in the mornings because I shower in the mornings generally, so the sleep for me didn't really matter. I think I purchased this either because it was on sale or it was on sale and I was about to go somewhere on a trip and I thought I should have travel size body wash with me, and that's why I had this. Yeah, I know that a lot of the things I'm showing you are like trial size or travel size or whatever you want to say, but I just get samples ever so often. I have Birchbox, and then I just get samples from Sephora basically, so I try to use those up before I move on to buying an actual product or using a big bottle of whatever product I already had. So that's why. All right, moving on. It's the Dr.Jart Water Fuse Ultimate Hydro Gel, and this is what it looks like. I'd say that if I didn't have this one, I would get this one, because this is the one that I also felt helped with my nose issue, and these two so far have done the best in terms of my nose. There is another moisturizer that I got in a Birchbox that I'm currently using, and I put it on my face today. I'm gonna have that mentioned in the description box below, along with the stuff that I'm wearing on the face. But I liked this one. If I had the money and I didn't already have this, I'd say I'd probably purchase this one again. Or for the first time, since I technically purchased it, but it's still like a sample size. Because that one I got in a Birchbox too, so. Let's see, what is next? Oh yes, the Ole Henriksen, wow, Sheer Transformation Face Cream. This is what it looks like. Again, it's one of those travel size ones. I wasn't super duper impressed with this one. It didn't help with my nose issue. It did its job, but I didn't feel like it was anything super duper great. So I probably wouldn't reach out and buy the full size product of this. Moving on. Yeah. It's the Way. Is that how it's pronounced? Way? Because I've heard it Way, but to me that means something a little different in Spanish, so I'm a little hesitant to say it like that. But it is hair care. It is the rose hair and body oil. I used this on my back whenever I wanted a back massage, and my husband was kind enough to give me one. I felt good. You could definitely smell the rose in this one. I wasn't thrilled that it had a pump, to be honest. I felt like I used more than I should have because of the pump. But other than that, I liked it. It definitely had that rose scent to it. So I don't know. I mean, it was good. I didn't mind it. So maybe in the future, if I don't already have another one, because I'll go ahead and do this one. The Caudalie, however you pronounce this brand. This is their Divine Oil Body, Face, and Hair Oil. And let me tell you that this is awesome. Like, this thing is awesome. Okay, it feels so good, and it makes your skin feel so smooth. I was impressed with this. I love it, I love it, I love it. If I go back and I don't, oh no wait, we do have a body oil right now currently, but if I didn't, I'd probably buy this one, because it felt so good. Your body just feels so smooth and hydrated, and it just, especially if you use it for a back massage or like a foot massage, it just feels so amazing, and it does help relax. So I like this. This thing was awesome. And this is another product that I got in that skin care box that I got from Sephora. Well, that my husband got me from Sephora. So I really, really love that one. I recommend it for sure. Next up is the Bath and Body Works, wrong side, Tiki Mango Mai Tai Body Lotion. I know I mentioned that I have dry skin, so I don't like a lot of scented things. I didn't feel like this one was super scented. Okay, maybe it's a little scented, but it's not super duper scented to the point where it feels like it's just gonna dry out my skin. Does it really moisturize my skin? Gonna be honest, no, it doesn't. But when things are on sale, you gotta do what you gotta do, right? So liked it. It was good smelling. It was, not gonna lie. Alright, and last but not least is this Eau-Thermale Aveni Hydrants Intense Rehydrating Serum. Is this tiny little thing. Used it was okay. I don't really feel like it was that intense of a rehydrating serum because, again, my nose, it didn't really help with that, so that's not a win for me in terms of really it being rehydrating serum and moisturizer. Well, it doesn't even claim to be a moisturizer, so I won't say that. But if it says for very dehydrated, sensitive skin, so maybe I don't know why it wasn't working well for me. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much all of my empties so far. A lot of these products were products that I had used last year and into this year, so hopefully next time that I have an empties, well, it would all be stuff that I used up this year, right? I know I don't have makeup stuff in here this time, but I do have a lot of makeup that I've just been decluttering, so I'm thinking about making a video of that. I'm not 100% sure yet. Let me know what you guys think. But I do thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you next time.